Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday morning and we are kicking off another video. So right now we are getting ready to leave for SeaQuest in Folsom. It's like a mini aquarium. And we're taking my sister's two little ones there. So I think this is gonna be the first time they have ever encountered sea life of any kind. It's like a very small place, but it's fun and it's cute to take little ones. Hey guys, so we just got back from SeaQuest. It's like 5:30 p.m. We ended up having to wait like 2 hours to get in. It was quite the ordeal. And we finally got in and we spent a good amount of time there. The kids loved it. It was so cute. And then we stopped by Round Table Pizza, picked up a pizza for dinner. So we just got that. And then my mom's making a salad kit to go with it. So I will show you, it looks delicious. So we have this gigantic salad kit, and then Round Table, we just got a pepperoni pizza. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh, we're mixing in the sauce. I see you picked the smallest bowl for something so large. And then here, the pups are getting snacks that they're not supposed to be getting. Yep, per usual. But the good news is that as we were waiting to get into SeaQuest, I got on my phone and I was Christmas shopping. I almost killed my entire battery. However, between this morning, before I got ready for the day, I was Christmas shopping in bed. And so I did order a few people's gifts, and then I figured out what I'm getting everyone else, and I put in my cart for like Macy's or Nordstrom or Amazon or wherever it is. And I'm gonna wait till Black Friday and see if they go on sale. And then if they go on sale, I'll buy them then. If not, then I'll just buy them at full price. But now I at least know what I'm getting everyone, so I feel super organized, very happy. And then, yeah, once everything comes in, I can wrap everything up and I will feel like I'm finally back on schedule. I used to have all of my Christmas shopping done, all the presents wrapped, everything by Halloween. That was kind of like my cutoff date. So the fact that we are like in the second week of November and I'm just getting started is kind of stressing me out. But that's okay, making progress. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to start your Christmas shopping early. Also, on November 10th, Macy's started their early Black Friday sales. So I shopped that and everything, but if you guys are looking to get a head start on it, check out Macy's. Not sponsored, but I'm just taking advantage of it myself, so hope that helps you. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So getting in my car, getting ready to run to the store. I need to run a few quick errands. So at 10:15 this morning, so in 2 hours, we are leaving to go to the Golden Gate horse track, I think it's called. It's in Berkeley and it's horse racing for my brother-in-law's birthday. And in my head, I was like, oh, we already have his gift. No, that's his Christmas gift. We don't have his birthday gift. So I was like, oh no, what do I do? So he loves like fantasy football, like horse racing. He likes like bet on sports games. We watch them together. So I'm like, okay, you are the gambling type. Dope. So I'm gonna go pick up a bunch of like different like scratchers and like lottery tickets and stuff for him. And like the little theme is gonna be like, so I heard you like to get lucky. So I'm gonna put that in like the top of the card with all of them. So that's the plan. So I'm on my way to go pick all of that up. But I want to pop in, say good morning. When I get back, I need to get ready. And then me and my mom are making pancakes, bacon, and hash browns for everyone. So everyone can start their day with a full belly and delicious breakfast. And then, yeah, we are going to be off to the horse races. Okay, look how perfect this card is. It's your birthday. You've got sports to watch, beers to drink, and places to scratch. And then I'll put all the scratchers in here. I can't believe it. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to find one and it was gonna be like a total stretch to be on theme. But here we are. Okay, update. First I found this little bucket
but that's not gonna fit a lot of scratchers. So then I found like floral foam and these bigger little bucket things. So I think that's gonna look a lot better so that all the scratchers can be displayed. And then I have skewers at home that I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm actually excited about this. So I figured I would get some gas because I'm already here, so taking care of business. Oh my gosh, look how many scratchers I got. This is gonna be a really full, beautiful bouquet, and I'm really excited about it. Oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me see if I can get a little bit. Oh, there we go, that's better lighting. So it turned out great. So I spent $40 on all of these scratchers. And so some of them are, I have one $10 that I put at the top, and then the others are 5, 3, and 2, but I just mostly wanted the volume. I do need to figure out what to do down here because you can see the floral foam. So I need to figure out what to do about that, but I think it's really cute. So I just took some little gift tissue and then I stuffed it, I ripped it into, I think like 5 different strips so I could kind of weave it between. So now everything is covered. By the time we get there, I'll probably need to spruce this up. But overall, I think this looks great. So I'm getting ready with all of my makeup right now, but I forgot to show you guys. Okay, so my mom ended up making the pancakes and bacon. I did not end up making the hash browns because I needed to get ready and make the beautiful little lottery bouquet. So yeah, it did not. Look what my dad brought out for me. Look at all these different size like skewers and everything to make this thing. So all turned out. Hey guys, so it's a bit later. We're getting ready to leave and I just finished getting dressed and everything. So I'm wearing this turtleneck that I got from Nordstrom. This puffer vest is from Old Navy. I'm wearing my Gucci belt, Levi jeans, and these chunky Steve Madden boots. So that is the outfit. And then I called the racetrack and they don't have any bag policy, so it doesn't have to be a clear bag, it doesn't have to be a certain size. So I am bringing my camera bag, and inside I have the photography camera, and then I'm also going to be bringing this camera. So I'm just gonna be rolling in with all the cameras. But I'm very excited. So I'm gonna try to get some cute pictures of like the family and everything and continue practicing the different lighting and all of that jazz because practice makes perfect. So excited to take it on a spin and get it out into the world because it's not quite the same just practicing like around the house. So yeah, really excited. Anywho, we are about to head out, so I'll see you there. Okay, so they don't let any personal cameras in, so I just had to go leave it in the car, which I really, really dislike. And now I'm heading back in.
Hey guys, so we just got home and I mean, it feels super late. It's only 7:30. So after the horse races, we went to Chevy's and we had dinner with everyone. It was really nice. The horse races were super weird. So I guess that, that entire complex is closing next month. So it was like a ghost town. I mean, it looks like it's supposed to hold a couple thousand people and there were like maybe 200 people. Like it was crazy. You'd look around on the level and there were just like a couple people here and there. You'd go up and down the stairs and like you were the only person on the stairs. Like it was weird. I don't know if a bunch of people just like bet online or what, but it was like an abandoned horse race type of thing. So overall we had fun with just like our group and stuff, but it definitely wasn't the like environment that made it fun because there was like no one there. But yeah, I'm really glad that we went. We got to spend AJ's birthday with him, and yeah, overall was a really nice Sunday. I am ready to relax and recharge, and I am not ready to go back to work tomorrow. I wish it was a 3-day weekend. I wish every weekend was a 3-day weekend. I mean, what happened to, I remember they were, like I saw a like news headline that, I don't know who, someone was advocating for like a 4-day work week. What happened to that? Because I will vote for it. We need 3 days off from work. Like, we the people deserve that. So we need to vote for that. Well, we need it to become a bill that we can vote for, but you know what I mean. We need it. Hey guys, good morning and happy Monday. I just finished getting ready and I'm about to head out to work, but I figured I would pop in and end off the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to tune in next week for another new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.